Welcome again to the beautiful Northumberland countryside, and today I've brought you to Chillingham Castle. So I'll give you some history about the castle. It was a 12th century stronghold and became fully fortified at Chillingham Castle in 1344, and the family bloodline actually still remains ever since. Apparently the castle has the document that gave royal permissions to add battlements to the top, which you can see there. The castle was also besieged and battled, and the family went off to France in the early wars. They captured a Norman castle in 1409 and were made Earls of Tankerville, and were even made dukes in the early warrior days. There are many mentions in Shakespeare and royal archives of the castle. The many commanding generals of the castle include a record 18 Knights of the Garter. Royal appointments were balanced out by no less than 8 executions for high treason. Family members chose different sides to support. So the Chillingham estates survived, and the loser always had a friend at court. Chillingham occupied a strategic position during Northumberland's bloody border feuds. Chillingham Castle was often under attack and often basked in patronage of royal visitors, a tradition that remains to this day. So the castle actually claims to be the most haunted castle in Britain, and apparently it's got the highest levels of paranormal activity in the country, with apparitions and spectres being seen within the castle. So we're going to go and have a look around. Apparently there's a dungeon and everything in here and a torture chamber, so let's go and have a look and see what it's all about. So just walking up to the entrance of the castle now. See how much it is. I'm sure it's £10.50. There's a little booth at the front here. Yeah, you can see entrance to the castle and gardens. There's the main gates. Walk in. So as you walk in, there's some, looks like old relics from the war. Machine gun, clock. And as you come around, there's a big courtyard. And then reception. So yeah, it's £10.50 as you come in, just a little gift shop. So as you come out of the gift shop, you turn right and we've got some gardens here. So there's like a little maze and all types of stuff around here. All hedges, and it's all contained within the battlements. Just have a walk around. Right at the back of the gardens now, it looks like it's like Neptune. Little water spout here. Pretty little statues. That is not a ghost. It's a pleasant little walk. There's not many people around, so pretty peaceful. And then in the middle we've got a nice big water fountain, which looks quite nice. So we're at the other side of the castle now. We've just been in the gardens there. We've had a little wander through the maze, and as you come up some stairs, there's a little sign that says lakes, so there must be some over this way. So we'll go and have a look there, and then we'll go and have a look in the castle. Some kind of guns here. Obviously these were to protect themselves in the castle. Obviously out into the forest there where probably their attackers were coming from. As you can see through the battlements there, it's just deep forest. Right, we're on my way up to the lake now. After a few minutes walk, come out to the lake. Quite nice, peaceful, there's nobody around. There's a woman sat over here next to the tree, unless it's an apparition, but no, it looks nice. You keep walking, there's another little lake here. Mustn't be very deep, you can see at the bottom there. Start heading back towards the castle anyway. There's not much more to see, there's like a bit of a woodland trail, but just doesn't seem to be going too far, so we'll turn back and we'll head back to the main bit of the castle and have a look around there. Plus got a horde of flies following us. So every time you go into the woodlands you get flies buzzing around, so they keep landing on my head, that do me head in.
Wow.
Some detail of the grisly deaths here.
I'm sure you go out to go on that way. Right, come on. Yeah, it is.
Cannibal Holocaust, that one. This is obviously why it's haunted. Probably all the souls of people who've been killed. Let's go into the dungeons. See what's in here. Oh, gold. Don't think he's real. Quite gruesome. Some of the torture devices here. And they get stuck in there. Seat you didn't want to sit on. There's a bed you didn't want to lie on. Handcuffed and spikes. Nasty. Although I've slept on probably worse beds in my time. Just out of the torture room. There's some little artefacts from back in the day. Dinosaur teeth. What did I say? Duck down. Oh God. Tight in here. Jesus. Just as well I've lost a bit of weight.
Oh, Christ. Not really now.
The door to the dungeon is tiny. It's really claustrophobic, so you live in like small spaces. Back through the courtyard, managed to escape the dungeon. Come up the stairs. This is one of the bloodline. It's like the dining room. This is Edward I's room. Be where he stayed. Bed doesn't look up to much. I think I'd rather go on that torture bloody bed. Nails sticking in my back. Doesn't look very comfortable. The old bedrooms. Can't get into it, it's chained off. It's actually quite creepy. So there's a room here, but it says to go upstairs first. We'll follow that. See what's up here. A roof view. There's a nice view at the top. Gardens. And this is the document that I mentioned at the start. Royal document saying that they could build a battlement, which is here. Look at that. It's years old.
The first room.
Right.
It's built for his visit in 1615.
Right.
Didn't know whether he'd come or not, like.
It was just built for him.
Well, you know what history books tell you, you know, that when monarchs were there and they were at somebody's house and that, well, I'll come and visit you, you know, and sort of thing.
Yeah.
So they used to give them good notice, you know, because they couldn't have a quick fly up from London.
Right,
you know.
aye. Back in the day.
Aye. And, no, this was built for him.
So have you seen any ghosts? Or?
No.
No, not one.
Not one. But I keep a very open mind because there's far too many people
Said.
experience.
Aye.
I'm one of them who no chance whatsoever.
Have you stayed overnight before?
I've never stayed overnight. I've been here in the dark and all the rest, and it doesn't bother us at all. Things like that, you know. I mean, I was sitting in our house a couple of nights ago and the lights went off all last night. Oh, power cut. I said, what we're going to do? I said, go to bed with the bloody road. You know, I mean, 10 o'clock at night, you know, what do you do? But no, it just...
I'd imagine it's quite creepy when it's dark.
Well, but anywhere can be creepy and creaky, you know. I mean, when we come in, all the shutters are locked up and that, and by the time you're opening the shutters, you know, you get a creaky, even Dutch of oil in here, you know, and you just get all the creaks and groans, and then if you get the wind,
howling around.
It was windy in here one day, and somebody says, "Hey, look, there's a ghost," and it was that mirror. Well, I mean, there's no behind it, just a stone wall. Well, I mean, the wind gets behind the curtain, and it
whistles through.
it moves, you know. So. Well, I thought my time had come a couple of years ago, but it was a stupid bird got stuck in a pot on the stairs. thought, oh, what do you mean? They're coming out during the day now.
Aye,
I
possibly.
mean, people have seen things happening here during the day, and you know, there's all sorts of stories, but I've never seen them.
Aye.
But it's all down to individuals.
Well,
I
that's
mean,
it.
some people will come into here and then they'll say, "Bye, oh, this room's not very nice. There's bad vibes in here." Then the next one comes in, "Hey, it's lovely."
It's lovely.
So it's, you know, everybody's different.
Aye.
You know.
Mind playing tricks.
Well,
Must be this is the dining room. Take it. All photos. I always find old photos dead. Creepy paintings and. So yeah, that must be the old bog toilet. There you go. With a shower. There's a tea room down there. It's quite cosy. So at the end here, walk round if you're hungry and come and have something to eat. And I think that's about it. So there we are. That was Chillingham Castle. Decent little walk round. Quite a bit of history inside, so definitely worth a look. Didn't see any ghosts, but it had a really creepy feeling about it inside, and just some of the old rooms and the clothes and all that type of stuff, all the old artefacts. Obviously it's got a very distinct smell, which you do in these older places. So I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, or a thumbs down if you disliked it. Feel free to comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's some more content coming soon. I'm not sure if you've seen our teaser trailer the other day, but we are heading to Skiathos in Greece a week on Wednesday, so hopefully we should get some content. But for now, see you soon. Bye. Wait. What's that at the window?